circuitos in the park. What's the strange noise? Frog. I'm learning frog. What is your name? Frog. Frog. Okay, your name is Froggy. Lotus took the frog and went back home. Come to my house. Frog, frog, frog. This box is your house. There, stay in the box, Froggy. Just at that moment, August came home. Hello, Lotus, what are you hiding? Hiding? Hello, August, hiding me? Nothing. Lotus, what's in the box? This is Froggy, my frog. Frog in that box in our house. We will look after it. I will feed Froggy and clean the box every day. Good night, Froggy. The next day, Lotus opened the box. Froggy, wake up. Froggy eats some rats. August, Froggy is there.
No, he's alive.
Froggy, you don't like your boss. Come on, Froggy. Lotus said Froggy free in the bus area. Bye, Froggy, bye-bye. Goodbye, Froggy.